All right, next on our project truck, we've reassembled the steering linkage, put in our control arms, upper and lower. We have our coil spring, and we've reinstalled the steering knuckle. Next, we need to get the shocks in.
Yeah.
So what do we need to look out for there, Jim?
So when you're putting a shock in, you know, most of the time they'll come compressed like this with a nylon strap around it. In some cases, you want to mount it and then release the strap. But in this case, we're going to need the length for this shock rod to go up through the frame. So we can go ahead and release that. So if you want to cut that, when we put that in there, you're going to get hardware. You'll have some heavy-duty washers and some bushings. We'll have to put one bushing and one washer on there first, and then it'll go up through the frame. Then the other bushing and the other washer will come after. So like that. Put the tapered side down. Yep, just like that. And now we can put that up through the control arm and the spring up into the frame. And then guide that rod up into the frame area there. Now this one comes with two nuts. You'll see a large nut and a smaller nut. So the large nut goes on first so you can run it down, and the smaller nut is a lock nut. Yep, taper side down, good. Large nut. And once we get that torqued, then we can put this on. But first we'll get the bottom bolts in.
Shock going into the control arm. I have the power bushing installed. Installing the upper compression nut for it. I'm just going to hand tighten that for now. Come back and torque those by hand. Now you don't have to go crazy on these. Just snugging them down so there's no play. Some people will way over tighten these. It'll lead to early failure of that bushing. I'm just snugging them down to where it's slightly compressed. We have a thinner upper jam nut, thin wrench to hold that lower nut, and then just lock this upper one to it.
All right,
Good.
that's in.
Put the sway bar
Sway bar on.
Your side. On your bracket up on your side to the frame.
"24 foot-pounds to the frame. The ends are 13.
Both those torque?
Yep.
Excellent.